Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to use index match function to do advanced lookup on a double dimensional array. Okay, in a table format we have data here. We have a country and their country, a set of countries about you can see here 247 countries, and each country has three other columns also, which is January, February, March, which is nothing but the sales on January, sales on February, and sales on March. Okay, so the three columns are sales, and this is the country, and we have a respective months. Okay, so the months I have given only one quarter months. It could be any number of months, all 12 months of the year. For simplicity I just take it for 3 months. Okay, so we have countries, months, and the respective sales. Okay, so before I move on to explain anything, first what I want to do is define a name for a country list and the month list and the data. Okay, the sales, because it will help us to read our formulas more easier instead of seeing the array of ranges. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to define a name for the countries. Select all the countries, right click, define name, country. Okay, it's a country list. Okay, then again you select okay the names of define name, which is month. Okay, country and month. Basically you can see country is the column wise okay indicator, and this is a horizontal. Okay, months, and then you have data of sales. So I define this one as sales. What I am doing here is just I am giving a name to the ranges. Okay, now we will see how to use index match function to get a given country. Albania is here, Albania, and the month of February I want the sales. Okay, so the month of February and Albania, you can see it's 2221. Okay, so 2221. Okay, this value. So how to arrive this? Okay, so before that I will show you the match function, how the match function works. If in array, if we give the match function, if you use the match function for a given value, it will give the relative position in the array. Okay, for example, match lookup value, I look it up for Albania. Okay, the lookup array for this case is the country list. Okay, so I just put country because I already defined the name country for the whole country list, which will, you can see the checkbox here. Okay, so country. Okay, if once I type in country, it will show you the full set of country here. The range is selected. Okay, and also you can see, okay, just to okay, and also you must put a 0 for exact match. You can see the match type. The match type you must put. Match type is what is the match type? You know, match type could be exact match, or less than match, or greater than match. We want to match it as the exact name of the country. Okay, so the same name we want it to check it in the country list, so put 0 for exact match. Okay, close the bracket. Now you can see 5. What is this? Okay, let's check what is this value 5. Okay, in the country list. Okay, you can see which is the 5th record in the country list. Okay, you just leave out the header country. You can see Georgia is first, Afghanistan second, third, fourth, 5th value is Albania. Okay, so that is the thing is coming up by the match function. Okay, so what match function does, it checks the value F6 which is the Albania, the cell F6 value is Albania, and in the country list which is the country list, and its relative position which is 5. Okay, similarly you check for February in the month list which is in the horizontal order. Match lookup value is February, and the lookup array is nothing but this array, the months array, which is nothing but month. Okay, how do you want to match? Here also I want to check exact name there or not. Okay, so I put 0 which is exact match. You can see here the exact match is you can see I take this exact match is 0. Okay, close the bracket. What you have here is the February is 2. In the horizontal order, February lies in the second position. Okay, in the vertical order, Albania lies in the 5th position. Okay, so for this array of sales, okay, we know Albania is here and February is here. Okay, the intersection point is the sales point, correct? So for this sales array, okay, we already defined this as sales. We want this position. This is nothing but Albania's row position, which is fifth row. 1 2 3 4 5, 5th row. In the February is second column. Okay, in this whole matrix of sales, full sales, we want a 5th row and a second element which is the sales of Albania and February, right? This position is already given by the match. Okay, first match brings the row number which is nothing but in which position Albania is in the country list. Second match brings the column number which is nothing but which is the position of February in the months list. Okay, this is how the match works. Okay, how the index works, I'll explain to you. Index, you give an index of array is the sales array. You have a full set of sales, a matrix of sales. It's a full set of sales data. Okay, within the sales data you give row number and column number, it will return that value. Okay, very simple. Row number is F10 1, comma, column number is 3, close the bracket. You will see it returns 3557. Row number is 1, this is the row number 1, column number is 3, 3557. Similarly, row is 10, for example. Okay, index of full array is sales array. I want the row number is this 10 and column number is what? Column number is 2. Then it will become 3585. Okay, which is row number is 10, column number is 2, 3585. You can see 11th record here, but because of the header, okay, this is the 10th record actually, okay, 3585, okay, because your sales data starts from here. This is the first row for the sales data, okay. When you do like this, this is the first row, this is the first column, okay. So similarly for Albania record, if you give this match 5 and February is second position, row is 5, position is 2, then what is the index in the sales data? Index value is, array is sales array, row position is 5, column position is 2. What is the data? Which is 2221, which is the our desired result, okay. So how to write the function? One shot, we have two different match functions, which Albania, use the Albania in the match function in the country list to bring the row position, and then use the again another match function in month, bring the column position. In both the thing, you send it into sales data, row and column, get the exact sales. Now I'll show you how to write the index match function to get the exact sales by the country Albania and the month February, okay, equal to index of the array. What array you want to send, because you want in index in the sales data you want to check the sales, so it is a sales array, which is the multi-dimensional data here, the matrix full sales data, okay, comma. Now you must specify the row number. Which row number? Okay, so row number is given by the row number supposed to be the Albania's position in the country, okay. So which will be match of lookup value is what? This country name, okay, Albania. Lookup array is nothing but the country list, which we already defined the name, and the match type is exact match 0, okay. So the F3, the Albania value is matched with the country list, and find the which position is Albania in, which is the 5th position. Then this is the row number actually for the sales data we need to look for, okay, 5th row, okay, this row, okay. Similarly what you need to do is get the column is the February, which is for this which is also a match function. Which value you want to look it for? The month is February, G3. Where do you want to look it for? In the month array, okay, which is in the horizontal array. Month we already defined. See, in month we defined a name, and there is a function called month, so you must be very careful when you select from this pop-up menu, okay. Our predefined names are with the checked box, okay. Month, what you want to do? We want to do a exact match, okay. Then close the bracket. So the G3 value February is going to check it in the month list, which is here. It will come up with the which column it is, which is the position, relative position. In this way it is the number 2, okay, the number 2 value. So this value is the column value for a sales index. This is the row value, okay, for the sales index. You will find a row is Albania 5 and the column is 2. Automatically it will bring the index will bring the sales value for the same Albania country and the month of February. Okay, now I enter. You see it is the 200 and 2221 221. Okay, so it finds using one match it finds the row position, another match it gets the column position. The sales data, the index is bringing this match is bringing 5 and the next match is bringing 2, so it is something like sales 5,2 here and bring the sales value. Okay, we will do another checks using a data, put a list box for countries and a month and see whether it is working fine. Okay, data, go to country list box, check on the country, click on the country cell, then go to data validation, get a list, then put a source which is nothing but the full list of country. Okay, then press OK. So you can see the list box here. It will tell you to select the countries. Similarly for month, data validation, click allow list box, source is nothing but this full list of month names. Okay, it will allow the months January, February. Okay, Albania Jan is 1921. Okay, Albania March is 1433. You can check it for any country also. Angola March is 3745. Okay, this way index and match function. Okay, hope this example is helpful to you, and if you like my example, please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.